Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for PlayStation 5 error code CE-113514-5. As per our research, this error completely stops the PS5 from turning on. Users experiencing this issue have reported that their console has become completely unresponsive after the error appeared. Unfortunately, there is very little official information available on this error, but we have found a couple of things you can try. If your PS5 won't turn on, try to boot it into safe mode. To do this, turn off your PS5 completely by holding the power button until you hear 2 beeps. Once it's off, press and hold the power button again until you hear a second beep. Then connect your controller via a USB cable and press the PS button. If safe mode appears, try restarting the PS5. If your PS5 doesn't enter safe mode, then this could indicate a hardware issue. Unfortunately, in this case, the best option is to contact PlayStation support for further assistance. Since this error is not widely documented, reaching out to PlayStation support is the best way to get an official resolution. So there you have it. To troubleshoot the error, try booting into safe mode. And if that doesn't work, contact PlayStation support for further help. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.